Yes, see that the formulas of the sessions. One is square, rectangle, and triangle. Next one is a cuboid. Next one is a what? Cuboid. Now coming to the cuboid. What is that? Area. For the cuboid, the area they will ask the formula. What is the area for the cuboid? Area of the cuboid is 2 into LB BH and HL. How to find the solution of the cuboid? They will give that L value, B value, and H value. They will give B and H. They will give these three values. They will give the individual L value is this, and B value is this, and H value is this. So while you are finding that, what to do? First find that L into B value, and similarly B into H value. Next H into L value. After that, add these three values. After that, what to do? Add these three values, you will get this middle part. Okay, you will get this portion. Now next, after getting of this value, just multiply into 2. Multiply into 2, you will get the answer. Yes, please mute it. Yes, please mute. How to solve also I am telling that. Be careful. So while you are coming getting the question from the cuboid topic, please mute. Yes, what to do, Nana? So if the problem based on the cuboid, don't write in the don't substitute in the formula first beginning only. If you substitute, you will get the some difficulty levels. So to overcome the difficulty, what to do? Write the find the L into B value initial individual, B into H value individual, and H into L value. After that, add all the values. You will get that this middle part answer, and to multiply into 2, that is your answer. Yes, and area perimeter. But there is a one difficulty level of this problem is in the previous case they are asking that what one thing they are always they are seeing that out of LBH they will give the any two is same unit but one is different unit. One is different unit. Without saying of unit, if you substitute, if you find the solution, that is the option number one only. Okay, so while you are solving this problem, the very important is see the units. See the units. If units are clear, then your answer is clear. Now after that, circle. After that, everybody listen here. Everybody listen, please listen here. For the circle, there is a one radius, that is half of the diameter is radius. What is the radius? This is the middle part, origin point. From origin point to this circle border, if you draw any line from anywhere, either here or anywhere, this length is radius. Okay, and what is the diameter, sir? The longest distance in the diameter circle. For example, this is my circle. In this circle, what is my longest distance? This only. If you can you draw from this point to this point, this is also diameter, but it's not a longest diameter, right? Okay, so even though if you draw this from this point to this, if you touch any 2 points in the circle, that is called diameter, Nana. Okay, so which one is the longest? That one we are consider. So how can you say that which one is the longest? Which one is a passing through the origin point? The line which is passing through the origin means middle point. The line which is passing through the middle point, that is called diameter. Now the important thing is diameter is indicated by the capital D, and diameter is equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. Diameter is what? 2 into radius. They will give that simple question. If you got the simple question, what is the simple question? They will give that 10 meters is a diameter of the circle. Can you find the radius of the circle? They gave that what diameter, but they are asking that what radius. So what is the relation? We know that diameter is equal to 2 into r. Diameter is equal to 2 into r. So from here, can I write the r is equal to, I don't want this 2 coming to this side, what happens? By d by 2. This is that formula for radius. Radius is equal to d by r. I and radius is equal to d by 2. Now here, what is the diameter they given? D value is 10. We want r value. How to find the d r value? D by 2, that is 10 by 2. That is 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is how much, Nana? 5. 10 by 2 is how much? 5. 5 meters is your radius. Okay. Similarly, they will give the another problem. Either, for example, radius value they will give that 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters, and they will ask that what? Diameter. What is the relation between diameter? They give in this condition a radius, but they are asking diameter. We know that diameter is equal to 2 into radius. 2 into r, that is 2 into radius value how much? 2.5. 2.5 double is 5. 2.5 double is 5. If you multiply, you will get the answer. This is an important formula. This is the basics of the diameter and radius. The relation between diameter and radius is this. Now, see here, the major formula of this is for the circle area. What is the area formula, sir? Area is equal to pi into r square. Pi into r square. What is the pi value? Anybody knows that? This symbol is called a pi. Anyone knows what is the pi value? Pi is nothing but pi is
22 by 7.
excellent. Pi value is 22 by 7. Area of the circle is equal to pi into r square. Here, for example, your r value is a 5. Then pi value is how much? 22 by 7 into 5 square means 25. 5 square means 25 or not? Yes, you have to do. So if you do the division 22 by 7, you have to remember this value. What is the pi value? 22 by 7. In another case, pi value is 3.14. They can ask anyone. Direct pi out of this, they will give the what is the pi value dash. Either if this is the answer, then this is the answer. Option in the option, if this is, then your answer is this. If not, 3.4, 3.41, 3.7, 3.8, like that they will give. What is your answer? 3.14. Either this or this. If both are there, then your option is 100% both of the options. Option A and B both. Like that they will. So the formula of the circle is pi into r square. Similarly, here in previous cases we are used the word is what? Perimeter. But in this particular case we are using instead of perimeter circumference. What is the word? Circumference. CIR. Circumference. We are using that word what? Circumference. The circumference is nothing but what? Perimeter only. Circumference is nothing but perimeter, but we are using the word for this is closed figure diagrams are there na? Square, rectangle, triangle, cuboid. For the diagram we are using the word, only name is changing. The name is perimeter. Now coming to the circle, the name is circumference, but both meanings are same. The total sum of the total length. So circumference formula for the circle, that is 2 into pi into 2 pi r. What is the circumference formula? 2 into pi into r. Note it down these formulas. Copy the formula. And the last formula is, they will ask you that there is a 4 rooms wall. There is a one room. Either room, they will use that word room, 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 or 4 walls room.
circumference formula 2 into pi into r square है सर.
2 pi r only.
Yes, sir.
2 pi r only. Okay. 4 walls room. Either room, they will ask that area of the room or 4 walls room. This is the last formula. Room or 4 walls room. What is the formula? Can anybody tell that? 4 walls room area formula. What is the formula for 4 walls room? Room formula.
A2.
What is the formula? 2
Sir,
into
area
2
master.
into L plus B, 2 into L plus B into
Into
H,
2.
into H. Area of the room or 4 walls room formula is 2 into L plus B into H. These are the formulas. These are the formulas. Yes, copy everybody. These are the important questions, and you will definitely get the 2 marks from this topic. 2 marks from the topic. One is the easy level problem, and one should be a toughest level. Toughest level means that what? They will give the combination of the units. One is must be in the meters, and another is centimeters. You have to see the relation between meters and centimeters. And don't think that this is normal your classroom exams. This is Navodaya for the all over India. So you have to show your rank in all over India, not in particular case and particular schools. Okay. So copy everyone. And if you have any doubts about the formulas, you can ask. This is not a first time you are listening the formulas, right? Yes, copy. If you are completed the copy of the formula, then go for the then open your Navodaya books, practice it. I will be in the line only. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Yeah, everybody open your Navodaya books. Go for the area perimeter topic. This is only area perimeter. Don't go for the volume. After completion of this, then go for the volume. I will tell later. First, you finish the area perimeter topic. Open your Navodaya books and see the previous year questions. First, do it the previous year questions. Then you can get the knowledge how they will ask. Do it fast.
Sir, area, perimeter and volume in volume problems where have sir?
See, in your book only there is a volume problem. You can find that. While you are giving the problem, they will give they will ask that what volume. Then leave the problem. Just tick it that. Go for do it. Solve the later that.
Sir, not there, sir. Volume.
Yeah, not that means you can do the another book. I will tell you. Don't worry about that. I will give the another book. First, finish this.
Sir, I did, sir, area, perimeter. Some doubts there.
Yeah, then ask me. Take the snapshot and send me. I will solve and tell you the solution. I will give the solution. Yes, everybody on your videos. And do it practice. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Om Sai. Now, if this is the problem, just open the book and see the page number, that problem. See the point A, P, O, C, B. Can you see the points? Hello? Yes, Om Sai.
Yes, sir.
See the points. Point number A, P, C, and B. If you add these all the points, can you make what is the diagram? Which diagram can you make?
Rectangle.
What is the width?
Width 6 mm.
Breadth? Sorry, length?
12 mm.
Then can you find the area of that part or not?
Yes, sir.
Then find the area of this. That is A1. Now coming to that. O N D C. O N D C. If you add these all the points, if you join all the points, then which figure can you make?
Rectangle.
Not rectangle, that is square. O N D C. If you join these points, 4 points, you will get the square box.
Yes, sir.
So do out of that, see what is the your side value? Side length is how much?
Means what, sir?
Side for square box, we to find the area, we want what side value or not? That is 6.
Yes.
Your bottom 20 is there na, that is not a
Yes.
distance between C to D na. That is a
Means what?
20.
That only confusing this.
Yes, 20 is not a distance between C to D. 20 is a distance between B to E. Point B to point E.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then coming to the next. Next is what?
Sir,
Points
next
M, N, D.
MDEL.
Uh,
MDEL.
M, D, E, L. Now let's see that the distance between M to N is how much?
10 mm.
Distance between N to D how much?
2.
Not 2. Distance between N to D. N to D. See here, distance between A to B how much?
12 mm.
Okay.
12
Here,
mm, sir.
there is a 12 mm, right? And see the point O to C how much distance? O to C. For the square, all sides are equal or not?
Yes, sir.
If O to N is 6 mm, then O to C how much?
6 only, sir.
Then N to D how much?
6.
So 10 plus 6 how much?
16.
Here the lengths are different. Don't think that both are equal. Got it?
Okay.
So this is 16 and the bottom one is how much? Yeah, see 6 plus 6, 12 is completed. Remaining D to E is how much? 8. D to E how much, Nana?
D2.
D to E 8 mm. Why? Because B to E how much? 20 I said. B to E 20 I said. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
out of 20, B to C how much? 6. Right? B to C. Upon
Yes,
this,
sir.
then C to D is also 6. 6 plus 6, 12 is completed.
Yes.
Out of 20, 12 is completed. Then what is the remaining?
8.
Yeah, that is it. Where is the diagram? Now see. So that is for one diagram. Similarly, L to K and F to G. You divide and find out the lengths and measure the diagram. If not, I will tell you in the live class today evening.
Okay, sir.
Try to solve the problem. If not, I will tell you.
Sir, my for one doubt, sir, fourth one.
Hmm.
I send it photo.
Option number fourth one is the correct. That is another figure, rhombus. If you want the rhombus details, I will tell you. The rhombus is, this is the diagram. For the rhombus, the all side values are equal, Nana. This is A, this is A, and this is A, and this is A. And their diameters are different. This is D1. Diameter is D1. And the another diameter is this. This is another diameter D2. These two are different lengths, but the lengths of the sides are equal. Now, area of the rhombus formula. This is another figure. Area of the rhombus formula is what? Half into diameter 1 into diameter 2. This is the formula. Okay. So what the in your question, this is a formula. Actual formula is half into diameter 1 into diameter 2. And your formula is the diameters are x and y. In your question, diameters are x and y. Then my formula is changes to half into x into y. That is option number 4. That is option number 4. This is called rhombus.
Sir,
Yes.
that diagram in KJ and HI that not coming, sir.
Yeah, you
Points.
leave it that question, Anna. I will tell you in the evening. You leave it
Okay,
that
sir.
question. Do the remaining problems. Diagram type questions I will start tell you in the evening.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more doubt there, sir.
Ah,
24th one, sir. I will send, sir, photo.
send.
Sir, screen share do, sir. Sir, send it, sir, photo.
Yeah, this is another problem. Sphere.
Can you say sphere area perimeter?
Yeah, see. The another diagram is what? Sphere. Sphere is like a ball shape. Sphere is a ball shape. And the area of the sphere diagram formula is 4 into pi r square. 4 into pi r square. This is a formula for the sphere. 4 pi r square. Okay. Now in your question, what is the sphere value they gave? 3844, right?
Sir,
Sphere.
that is surface area, sir.
Okay. That is area, surface area, both are same only. 3488. Yes. This is equal to what? 4 into pi into r square.
Sir,
Yeah.
3844, sir.
Uh,
Sir, 3844, sir.
3844. Okay. Sphere area is equal to 4 pi r square. And what is the answer? They given the question 3844.
Yes, sir.
3844. Okay. Similarly, then what to do? Pi r square is equal to, yeah, then do it one thing. 4 into pi value is how much? 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 3844. Okay. From here, r square is equal to 3844 into denominator is what? 7 comes as numerator by 4 numerator comes as denominator into 22. Okay. Then after that, do the cancellation.
Sir, can you say once again?
Yeah, see here. Here 4 is there. I have to find only r square. So I wrote here r square. This 4 is in numerator, comes to this side denominator, and this 22 as the numerator comes as denominator. 7 in denominator comes as the numerator. Numerator, denominator, denominator, numerator. Right? And all are in intos only. Okay. Now after that, do the multiplication. Cancellation. What is the cancellation? 4 table. 4 ones are 4 nines are 36. Remainder is 224. 4 6 are
Sir, 4 nines are
4 nines are how much? 36 only now.
yes.
Huh? And here is 24. This one. Okay. And after that, in which table can you cancel? So try to solve this. 961 into 7 by 22. Can you cancel in 11 table? Check it that. In 11 table, the time is less than 1 minute. 11 twos are 11 eights are 88. 2 plus 6, 8. In not. See in another tables. Which table can you cancel? Otherwise, just multiply all the numbers. You will get the answer. You will get r square. Square goes to that side. That should be in under root